Hi, this is Chris from Make It a Garden, and I'm going to be out on my front porch today since it's such a lovely spring day in Alaska. Today I wanted to talk about garden totems or bird baths and how you might think about embellishing them after they're through. And here's one that I made. I've really been enjoying experimenting with monochromatic schemes, neutral colors, because it just, I think, just really gives it a touch of elegance. And some people would say, well, they don't really like white, but I'll tell you, white, when you put something like this around your potted plants or your flowers in the garden, the white really pops. And it really stands out, and it's just lovely as a garden accent. So it's fine, just like this. You could leave, if you made a garden totem like this, you could leave it just like this, or this is what I decided to do. And I found this beautiful ceramic lid to a little jar. And I felt that it just kind of gave it a kind of a romantic sense to it. And it just kind of was a nice touch. Something else that you could think about doing is adding beads to your totem or bird bath. These are plastic, but you could certainly use glass beads or ceramic beads. And all I do is I just kind of experiment. So I would, kind of look at that and see, do I like that? Maybe if I move it down just a little bit to this position, maybe that adds something to it. You try it down here, and I'm not really crazy about that, but you kind of get the idea. Something else, sometimes you find these birds. And this one I think is a little bit too big. I don't think I want to use it in this one, but I think this is just enough. You don't want to overdo it. But anyway, those are some of the things that you can think about to make your garden totems a little bit extra special. And check out my website, makeitagarden.com, for more ideas. Thanks for watching.